Okay, this video is all about square and cube root fractions. I'm going to look at 3 different cases, and we'll also drop a cube one in there so you can see. But the principles are exactly the same whether you're dealing with squares or cubes. And really the key to this is knowing your square numbers and your cube numbers. It's worth spending a bit of time learning them. Up to 20 squared or 20 cube is really going to help you. So let's have a look at a very simple case. The square root of 9 over 49. Okay, now you can express that in a different way. The root of that whole fraction is exactly the same as the square root of 49 over the square root of 9 over the square root of 49. Both of those are perfect square numbers. Okay, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 49 is 7. So there we simplified that what looks a complex operation into just 3 over 7. Let's look at a different one. Roots of mixed numbers. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to convert that mixed number into an improper fraction. Chances are the questions you're going to be given will work out into perfect square numbers when you get them there. So let's see. If you can't remember how to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, have a look at my other videos. There's some very quick, simple ones on there on how to do this. We're going to do 2 times 4, which is 8. Add the numerator 1 to make 9. So now we've got the square root of 9 over 4. Again now, 9 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square number. So root 9 over root 4 is going to be 3 over 2. We can convert that back into a mixed number, which is 1.5. Next we're going to look at is this case here where it's a bit strange. It doesn't look like much, okay? Root 36 over root 25, and we convert it back. There we can see those two are square numbers as well. That's going to be root 36 over root 25, which is 6 over 5, 1 1/5. Okay, so there's another example of changing mixed numbers. Now this case is slightly different. No mixed numbers, it's not an improper fraction, and 32 and 50, and neither of those are perfect squares. So what do we do? Well, to look out for this, you're going to try and see whether you can simplify the fraction first. So if I simplify 32 over 50, I can actually simplify that to 16 over 25. And now we've got 2 square numbers. We've got 16 and 25. Root 16 over root 25 is 4 over 5. Finally, cube roots, exactly the same process. So cube root of 8 over 125 is the same as the cube root of 8 divided by the cube root of 125. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 125 is 5. Okay?